What's up, guys? It's another blistery day here in Wisconsin. As you can see, the snow is falling right now. I need to get out. It's Monday morning. I need to get out early in the morning, get my drone up in the air, get some stock footage. I just recently updated her, got accepted to do stock footage on some websites, so I'm going to be doing stock footage a lot now. I need to get out, get my drone in the air, get some overhead shots. I'm also going to head downtown Appleton and do some time lapse. So you guys are going to come with me. I'm going to vlog this whole episode. So let's go right now. All right, so we're getting closer to downtown Appleton. The sun's starting to come up a little bit more now. Sun's not going to come out, so there won't be any like broken apart cloud time lapses. But I'm hoping to get down on the city streets and get some of the good traffic with the snow and everything, and go from there. I know I want to go back towards Kaukauna and shoot some drone footage over the river and over the woods. But right now we're just going to go downtown. We're going to see what we can get down here and kind of just walk around and see what happens and just do a little bit of time lapse, a little bit of footage. Might even take some pictures. I haven't done that in forever, but yeah, let's see what happens in downtown Appletown. Downtown Appletown. All right, so we're in Appleton. We're gonna be heading right over here. This is Houdini Plaza. I'm gonna head over there and set up my tripod right on the corner there. See if I can get some good footage of the time lapse of the city corner. So I'm gonna cross real quick before I die. Woo, running across the street. So we're gonna set up right here. Houdini Plaza. We'll set up here. See if we can get some good time lapse of the street. Alright, so I got the time lapse set up. I am all set to go. It's right here by the light. Hopefully I get some good footage, and I guess I'm here for the next 6 minutes. What should I do while I wait? The thing about Wisconsin winters is the cold is not the bad part. The snow, that's perfectly fine. You know, you get used to that. It's the damn wind. It's the 20 below wind chills. That's the part that I'll never get used to. I can deal with the snow, I can deal with the cold weather, but it's the wind. The wind's gotta go. I don't want to live somewhere where it hurts my face all the time to live there. Gotta go. Alright, so that time lapse is done. Now it's on to the next spot. I think I'm gonna be good with that time lapse. It is, like I said, really windy, really cold out here. I think I'm gonna be done with that time lapse. I think I'm gonna go shoot a little bit of drone footage now and see what happens there. Alright, so we're at the next location. Guys, we're at Appleton City Park. I shot some photography here once with my buddy Devin. Now we're gonna get the drone up in the air. I'm gonna take some stock footage of like the trees and the park and stuff. Just kind of get some good stock footage for Shutterstock and for Pond 5. Those are the two main ones I use right now. I just feel like they're the best for me at this point. I will start putting it on more. Any website that I don't put it on is a potential opportunity lost to make money. So I will be getting them on all of them. This street sweeper behind me is really loud. But right now, let's get the drone up in the air. Let's play in the snow, see how it works. It's probably gonna crash. Well, it'll make great footage, right? I took the ND filters out. I'm an idiot. freaking love making drone footage. It's just so awesome, you know, to see everything from a different perspective like that. Be able to see, you know, above, down, where, you know, even 10 years ago or so, it was kind of still unheard of to be able to see that, unless you were gonna either own or rent a helicopter, and frankly, no independent person had the money for that. So, you know, now you spend couple thousand dollars, and you can get this whole new perspective, and it's just awesome. I mean, there's no other way to look at it. Did I leave my glove back there? All right, so whoa. So we're at the next location. I'm carrying my backpack like a purse right now, but we are at Thousand Islands Nature Preserve. Gonna do some time lapse. Oh, there's some duckies floating down the water right now. I'll do some time lapse, which is gonna be pretty awesome, and attempt to fly the drone. I'm by a paper mill, so I don't know if I'm supposed to be. I'm gonna look on my app and see if it's okay or not before I do. But I know for sure I'm gonna do some time lapse because the water looks awesome. Check it out. Oh, that duck just went down the water. They're like sliding down it like a slide. Oh, am I on ice or am I on water right now? I am definitely standing on, look at this. I'm on like a couple inches of water right now. Crazy. This picnic table's buried in the ice. So yeah, that's interesting. But I'm gonna get everything set up and do some little bit of time lapse. Alright, so that was kind of a little bit scary. I don't know if I'm in focus or not, but my phone died as it was up in the air, and it was just close enough where I could see where it was. So good thing I kept that line of sight so I could see where it was, or else I'd have been trying to hear it or trying to wait for it to return to home without my phone. So phone's in the cold, no good. Thanks, Apple. You almost lost my drone.